In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 Neo 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3 Neo 3D printer features several enhancements for improved user experience. Here is an overview of its key features. Auto bed leveling. The Ender 3 Neo comes with an upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology, making manual leveling unnecessary. This intelligent leveling system can automatically adjust the printing height of different points on the hot bed, saving time and simplifying the leveling process. Equipped with a full metal extruder that provides greater force, the Ender 3 Neo ensures smooth feeding of filament, reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. The printer features a corrugated heatsink that increases the radiating area, enabling fast cooling down of the system. The Ender 3 Neo operates at low decibels due to its silent mainboard, ensuring a quiet printing environment. The mainboard also offers stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance. Number 2. Creality 3D Printer CR10S5. The Creality 3D Printer CR10S5 offers enhanced stability and reliability with its aluminum plate, ensuring more stable printing. It is designed to be easy to assemble, with a further simplified structure that allows for fast assembly and easy adjustment, saving time and energy. Additionally, it supports multiple 3D printing filaments such as ABS, PLA, TPU, and more, providing users with a variety of options for their printing needs. The product also comes with a warranty that includes lifetime technical support from experienced 3D printing engineers and a 1-year limited manufacturer's replacement part guarantee to ensure customer satisfaction. Number 3. Elegoo Mars 4 Max MSLA 3D Printer. The Elegoo Mars 4 Max MSLA 3D printer is equipped with a 9.1-inch monochrome LCD screen with a high resolution of 5760 by 3600 and XY resolution of 34 allowing for precise and detailed printing at a speed of up to 70 mm per H. The printer features a 9H hardness tempered glass to protect the LCD screen from scratches and damage. Utilizing a COB plus refractive light source, the printer ensures that the emitted 405 nanometers wavelength beam is uniform across the LCD screen, resulting in finer details and a smoother surface on printed models. The large build volume of 195.84 by 122.4 by 150 mm provides ample space for printing large models or multiple parts simultaneously, enhancing productivity. Efficient heat dissipation is achieved through a double fan cooling system design, contributing to faster air circulation and higher heat dissipation efficiency, thereby extending the printer's service life. The printer comes with Voxeldon's Tango software offering 3 printing modes, including static and dynamic modes with varying print lifting speeds to optimize printing efficiency. Additionally, the printer supports multiple slicing software with the Elegoo self-developed open-source Geo slicing format. Number 4. Anycubic 3D Printer Cobra 2 Pro. The Anycubic 3D Printer Cobra 2 Pro boasts a significant increase in printing speed compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, with a maximum printing speed of up to 500 mm per second and a recommended print speed of 300 mm per second. This speed enhancement is attributed to the inclusion of a high-performance Cortex-A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing ample computing power for faster calculation and command execution, resulting in 10 times faster printing. The printer features a new structure that incorporates an optimized direct extruder and movement system in the extrusion and cooling mechanisms. This design allows for the effective and precise delivery of filament, quick melting and cooling processes, and smooth operation to reduce layer lines. Additionally, the Anycubic 3D Printer Cobra 2 Pro includes features such as one-click vibration compensation, which utilizes an internally built accelerometer G-sensor to detect the resonance frequency of the X/Y axis. This feature enables smart adjustments to motion control, effectively eliminating resonance vertical lines and bracket lines for smoother and more detailed prints. Number 5. Anycubic Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Resin 3D printer, specifically the Photon Mono 2 model, is an entry-level 3D printer that boasts several upgraded features. It includes a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 by 2560, which enhances the display of character figures and miniatures with intricate details. The Photon Mono 2 has increased its printing volume by 20% compared to its predecessor, offering a larger actual printing area of 6.49 foot x 5.62 x 3.5 HWD within the same machine size. Moreover, the printer incorporates an upgraded light turbo matrix that ensures stable and uniform parallel light sources, resulting in reduced layering and elimination of grid lines on printed models. This improvement contributes to a smoother surface finish and better detailing. The Photon Mono 2 also features a laser engraving platform with excellent flatness, enhancing model adhesion and significantly improving the printing success rate.